Hey guys, so for you, those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Carla, KM Beauty, and this is my video reviewing the new Norvina palette, which I genuinely sorry, loved, honestly, and I just love it. So if you want to see this finished look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me again when we're gonna do a review on the Norvina palette. I've been waiting to use this for quite a while now, so I already put foundation on, of course, did my eyebrows and everything, because I was just gonna do a quick tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm loving the colors on here. So cute. Oh, the plastic one. But it's so cute, as you can see. Now, we're gonna try to do a little makeup look, see how it goes. And if it's anything like the other Anastasia palettes, I'm already in love with it. So I'm gonna get, oh, it's like really creamy. I like it. It's like soft. I'm gonna get the color Love. This one right here. And just put that on the crease. Work that way up to the brow bone. It's very soft. I freaking love this already. Of course you're gonna blend it later, guys, so don't even worry about it. Now do the other eye. Before I get more colors onto the crease, I'm going to get Dreamer and put it on my brow bone. Oh. Dreamer. And then I'm gonna get the color Passion. Right here. Passion. I'm in love with this. Just to give it a little more color on the bottom. We're gonna come back with it in our waterline. I'm thinking of like for the eyelid, like a really bright pink, and the palette has one. It's called Wild Child. I know it looks pretty like bad right now. Okay. So since this one does not have a black, because like I said, I use black a lot, I'll just get my glitter palette, my Glitter Bomb palette by Too Faced, and it has this black right here. Now since that, I'll put that away. Then you grab your blending brush and you just start to blend away. Okay, so I just finished blending and this is the look so far. So now I'm gonna get my Maybelline New York cover stick. Grab some of that. And then put it on my eyelid. If you can see that. Now that that's done with, over with, now we go back into our Norvina palette. Get like a flathead brush. I'm getting Wild Child. Wait, this one right here. I'm really in love with this shade of pink. Can you see that? That's such a cute pink. I'm in love with it. I think I'm putting too much, but I love it. I love this color. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now that this look is done, well, not done because they got, you know, lashes and eyeliner, but so far I really like it, and I really like the pigments and how it's really pigmented. It really is. Just my extra butt likes to put extra on. And y'all already know my favorite eyeliner. Well, if you don't, because I just started, it's the NYC New York Colors, and it looks like this. Okay, so I just did my 2 eyeliners, and I also put mascara on. Now I'm on to the face, which I just get like any angled brush, and I'm dipping it in my Cocoa Contour from Too Faced. And then I grab my blush bar and I go into Hoola where I need it. After that, I grab the California. I just dip my blush into it, and you know, you get the apples of your cheeks, girl, apples of your cheeks. Then I kind of get dandelion a little bit for a softer pink. Get that in. I'm blending everything, y'all. Don't worry about it. I am, because we don't want harsh lines or anything. So far, looking good. Now it's time for the highlight. I got some of my Love Light by Too Faced. Now we're going to use my Wet n Wild highlighting palette in the color Precious Petals. I'm loving it. Look at that glow-gasm. I'm about to have a glow-gasm. If y'all know a highlighter that can just do this much glow without it, let me know. Let me know. Because packing it on there kind of takes a little much, but I'm loving the ending product. Now I'm going to put my lashes on. So I just put my lashes on, but now I'm gonna get back with my Norvina palette and get the color Passion out, the same one we use on our eyelids. and use it for our wash line. Sorry. I'm gonna get it in the waterline too, so it doesn't look white on the inside. I don't know, that's what I always do. Okay. Then we're gonna come back with some mascara, and I always use this one for my bottom line. It's Dramatic Definition. So I'm gonna choose a lipstick later on because again I'm in a hurry, sorry. But to set this all together, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay. I hope you like this look.